We are Nhorfaen peoples first. We speak for ourselves.
Nothing about us.
We're about us.
We are a member-led self-advocacy organisation for adults with learning disabilities in Nhorfaen. We've been learning about the human rights and what they are and what they mean to us. Here is what we've been getting up to over the past year.
We created a podcast.
Hello, Howard and Carl. Welcome to My Rights and Me Podcast. Today we'll be talking about human rights.
What is a human rights?
Human rights are rules to protect people. Every person has a right for human rights.
The human rights is important for everyone, not just people with learning disabilities. However, sometimes when a person has a learning disability, their human rights can be forgotten, or they think we don't want the same job or the same things like everyone else.
We talk about human rights and we play music.
Here is a song which we made for the project we are doing, and here it is.
A right to have life.
We worked with a songwriter called Erin to write a song about discrimination. We used our members' experiences to come up with the different lyrics and to link them then to the different human rights within the Human Rights Act. We produced a music video to promote the rights of people with disabilities, and in the music video we created protest posters so that we could really hit home about why it was important for people with learning disabilities to have access to their human rights.
We also made a card game collaborating with the British Institute of Human Rights. This game has been co-designed with people with learning disabilities, but it's suitable for everyone. The aim of the card game is to help people learn about their human rights.
We also made a TikTok channel. At the beginning of the project, we created a TikTok to capture our learning through the My Rights and Me project.
We have been learning about human rights. There's 16 human rights.
We've had loads of views on TikTok and our members find it a really great way to engage with others.
Subscribe and like.
Let's.
Whilst learning about our human rights, we took part in a protest. After learning about the right to marriage and starting a family and the right to private life, we started a relationships course for people with learning disabilities. Impact of the project.
Working with people first makes me feel very happy.
Probably one of the best things is working with the people, and it's given me a lot more confidence.
In my rights, they've helped me get through bad times, and they've also given me a better future in life.
I think I've learned over for the past project, learning all different human rights.
Life is a learning experience, and with things people learn, we know more what things are available, and how people treat us. We're all special people.
Learning about human rights has helped our members to understand themselves, others, and the services that they use better. They now have a passion and desire to help other people with disabilities be treated fairly and equally.
My life.
My rights. My choice.